Welcome to Ron's Workbench. Hi, this is Ron and welcome to my workbench. Today we're going to start a new series on building a work shed by KC's Workshops. Try saying that 3 times fast. A little backstory on this. I bought this model back in November, but it took me a while to get around to building and completing it. Discussed that in my first series about all the issues I went through at the end of last year, beginning of this year. So here we are, opening it up, maybe. Well, there we go. Need a little help. But a quick little unboxing video that I had done earlier. I can't say enough about Kenny Crump and KC's Workshop. Excellent products. Very well packaged. And the model itself was very well made. The laser cuttings were awesome. Went together like a dream. So here you see the package. This is one of their kits in there. It's a snap series. So these are small models that shouldn't take more than a few nights to put together. And the kit is complete. It comes with all the wood, all the windows, doors, everything that you need, minus the paint tools and glue. So let's get started on building this awesome kit. Okay, so the first thing I did was to frame out all the walls. On the end and center pieces, I framed all the way around the wall to give an area for the floor and the roof. On the long sides, I only did the bottom and the top. I left enough room on the side pieces with the bracing so that when it went together, the side pieces and the end pieces would fit together snugly. Now, there is a slight error that I made. The experienced modelers will see it. I'm going to leave it till later to go over exactly what my problem was. Okay, after I was done with that, I did a test fit to make sure the walls were going to be straight. You can see here I took my 1x2x3 blocks and just to support them, see how it was going to go together. Making sure everything was square. Yeah. Like I said, this is just lean-to. It's not assembled or glued or anything. So after this, I prepared the walls for painting. I gave them a quick primer of white. Next thing I did was to spray the windows a green. I originally had painted them a blue, but the blue really did not look all that great on the windows themselves. So I went ahead and I painted over again with some green. Once the green had dried, I took a little yellow, white, and a little bit more of the green, mixed them together, and dry brushed over the windows to distress them a little bit. Once all the paint had dried, I test fit the windows, and here you can see the green and white color scheme that I chose. Doesn't look too bad. I thought it came out pretty well. So that's it for this week's episode. Join me next week as we continue on with this build. On the next episode of Ron's Workbench, we'll go over the success and failures of making your own signs.